Yes, sir.
I've been doing a practice. I can't remember what it's called exactly, but it's like you just you look at something, try to close your eyes, try to recreate exactly what's there, all the distinctions and everything. And it's really, really hard. Is it just a matter of practice, basically?
It's not just a matter of practice. Certainly practice, right? Yeah. No, that's an exercise created a long time ago. See that what people do when they perceive something, and this is just a very simple, easy way to watch, is they're very sloppy about it. You know, say we look at things and go, okay, yeah, I know what I saw. What did you see? Reproduce in your mind, and when you reproduce in your mind, it's really vague and amorphous most of the time. Oh yeah, see. So you do this. You look at something specific, objective. That's stationary is better. Okay, yeah, it's moon. And reproduce it exactly the way you perceive it. See? And at first you notice you can't, say, or you don't. No. And then you can improve because you pay more attention. But again, it's not about memorizing anything. See? So it's like you work on it for a while. You could change the subject, see, and then do it instantly instead of memorizing. It has nothing to do with memory. It has to do with reproducing what you perceive. So you grasp what you perceive better. See? But you also have to make other distinctions, like what's there, where is it, the proportions, etc. Everything you're seeing and its realness. Because when you perceive it, especially an object, you perceive it as real, right? Real, present, solid. Why not that in your concept? Most people don't have that in concept. Yeah, I know what a table is, but there's not the presence and reality and there-ness of the table when you're perceiving it. See? And you do that till you can grasp it, and then, like I say, try to do it right away, so that you don't even notice if your eyes are opened or closed. Basically, you reproduce the reality. So, like when your eyes are closed, same reality. Open, okay, same deal.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.